Back to the old car garage. I'm Rick. So we're continuing on the never-ending Edsel interior project. So did a little bit of work on it. Here, let's move the camera in here to take a look. So you can see, kind of got one of the rear panels in back there, and cleaned it up a lot over on that side, and had a little problem with that window track over there, so we had to adjust that and lubricate that before I put that panel in. But today, you know, my friend is coming over. Of course, it's going to cost me a few beers and take him to lunch, but we're going to get the other back panel in, probably set the back seat in, because actually to get that back cushion in, actually that armrest probably is going to have to come off to get the back cushion. Should have thought of that earlier, but that's the way it goes in this kind of stuff. And yeah, then we might lay the carpet. Well, the carpet, you know, this is all rolled up. You just got to lay it out and let it relax. Lay it in here. So I got to take these sill plates outside, wash them off, see if I can polish them up a little bit. So hopefully by the end of the day, we'll be making bigger progress. Yeah, came out pretty good. Looks real good, actually, I think. For panels in, the armrests, ashtrays, cranks. Even got the back seat cushion back in. So it's moving along. We're just waiting for the carpet to relax. Once the carpet relaxes, we can fit it all in there. But we're kind of on hold, like I was saying, because I'm going to send these top rails off to get repainted. Because can't go this far and they're scratched, especially on that side, as you can see. So that's why they're not on. You know, they're boxed up. I'm setting them off to get painted. I could paint them, but I couldn't find the right color. The only colors they had at the auto body shop around here was like a gloss, and that wouldn't look good. It's got to have this right sheen and everything. And I don't know, my interior guy I know, he'll make these like new. And plus, I think he's probably going to replace the felt down in here too. So it's going to look really good. Yeah, this carpet is copper, dark copper. Kind of matches the body. So I'm happy with all this. Moving along. And also, we lubricated all the window tracks in these windows here. We had the panels off, got in there and lubricated them all up so they roll up and down nice and smooth. Yep, old Edsel's looking pretty good. Still got to like put some insulation back on the floor back there, a little heat shield and stuff like that. Then once that's in and the carpet relaxed, then we can put the back seat in, because this piece here needs to go up under, tucks under there. But yeah, got all setting up there. It's looking pretty good. You know, the windlace is in, and yeah, the one thing I still got to do with all this is these top rails. You know, it's all nicked up. So now that I got everything else done, like I said, got to take these off to paint them. So that's what I'm in the process of doing next. And you can see they're not even installed on the back yet, because they have to be painted. And once they're painted, installed, this windlace, of course, will tuck in underneath it. Yeah, so it's good. It's looking pretty good. A lot of the reason I'm recording all this interior projects, kind of like for my own file, you know, to go back and look at all the work I've done to this car since I've had it. But it's starting to come out really good, especially when I get all this done. Oh, another thing, a lot of people have asked me, what's with the Mach 1 Mustang? Well, that's my wife's car, and it's kind of dirty. It's just stored over here. She takes it to the car shows. We're going to be getting that out here soon. It's just dust that blows in out here. Actually, I was just running it the other day, but that ain't mine. She don't let me drive that, so this is mine. So anyway, here's where we're at. Got the carpet. I think it's going to look pretty good. All right, so just got to get these top pieces painted, put in, and put the back seat in. Then we'll be ready for the bench seat. I mean, I shouldn't really get that back till June. And yeah, we're almost about done here. All right, well, thanks for watching, everybody.